Hello students, welcome to Narayanpuri College online classes. In the previous episode we completed periodic classification elements theory. In this today's episode we will start objective questions from periodic classification of elements only. Let us turn your materials, volume 1, page number 59C, exercise level 1 questions only. Exercise level 1 questions. The first question is asking like this: in a given energy level, the order of the penetration effect of the different orbitals on. They asking penetration effect. Penetration effect, which one? Different orbitals only. You know what are orbitals generally we have? S orbital, p orbital, d orbital is there, and f orbital also there. So penetration power mainly depends on the orbital which is close to the nucleus only. Means what here, if the orbital is close to the nucleus, it is having more penetration power than the orbital away from the nucleus only. If we take the shell here, okay, this is the positive part nucleus, we can say here. Like this I want to draw the different shells only. So I will decide write here 1s, I will write here 2s and 2p, and this I will write 3s, 3p, 3d. The fourth shell will write here 4s, 4p, 4d and 4f only. You can see in the each orbital what are the last shell here. This is f orbital, this is the d orbital, this is p orbital, and this is what? S orbital, which is very close to the nucleus, s orbital only. So s orbital is greater than, p greater than, d greater than what? My f. This is what? This is the penetration power of different orbitals only. We can write here f less than, d less than, p less than, s only. So you will see what the option is given here. The option 1 is the right answer only. Why here? The orbitals which are close to the nucleus having more penetration power when compared to the orbital is away from the nucleus. See the second question we have. The second question asking like this: the first element of a group in many ways differ from the other heavier members of the group. This is due to the first element in the group it different from the heavier element in the same group only. Okay, you will see here, suppose I am taking here lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium I am taking. These are the first group elements only. So I will write only the valence electronic configuration only. This is 2s1. Okay, this you will write 3s1. This you will write 4s1, this you will write 5s1, this you will write 6s1 only. You know top to bottom generally what happened in group top to bottom, atomic radius is what? Increases only. Atomic radius increases generally, then what happened? Ionization energy decreases, electronegativity also what? Decreases only. You see the first one here, the first option is given small size only. First element is there, last element is there. First element having smallest size, last element having largest size only. So first element small in size or not? Yes. Second one you can say high electronegativity and what? High ionization potential. You know generally atomic radius. Atomic radius generally what? Atomic radius inversely proportional to what? Generally atomic radius. Suppose you are taking in form of the group. Suppose I am taking. Generally in group top to bottom what happened? In group top to bottom what here? Atomic radius is what? Increases only. Atomic radius increases generally what? Electronegativity is what? Decreases, and you will say ionization potential also what? Decreases only. Here they are asking for the first element. If we take the first element having smallest in size only. If the size is smaller, it is having more electronegativity and having what? High ionization potential only. The small size is there. Small in size means what? Electronegativity is high and what? Ionization potential also what? High only. For which element? For the first element only. You can see the last option what is given? Unavailability of the d orbitals only. If you can take the first group here, only 2s is there. 2s means there is no change for the d orbitals only. What is your answer? We will take small size, high electronegativity, high ionization potential, unavailability of the d orbitals. What is your answer? All the above only. So the answer for this question is what? Option 4 only. So this is we have question number 2 only. Now we'll see question number 3 we have. Question number 3 we have, here the atomic numbers of the metallic and the non-metallic elements which are liquid at the room temperature respectively. The atomic numbers of the metallic and what non-metallic element which are what liquids at the room temperature. Okay, they asking metallic element, metallic and what non-metallic elements. Metallic and non-metallic element both are what liquids, both are what liquids at what room temperature. What they are asking, what are the atomic numbers of these elements? They are asking what are the atomic numbers of these elements only. So generally can come to the metals only. So generally maximum metals are what solids at the room temperature, but in some of the metals are having liquid at the room temperature. Particularly which metal is liquid at the room temperature means we will take the mercury only. What will take mercury? What is the symbol of mercury? Hg. This is a metal. It is a metal, but what liquid at room temperature only. Liquid at what room temperature only. Come to the non-metals. So generally non-metals generally liquids or gases only, but which is a liquid at room temperature means what bromine only. So bromine symbol is what Br. Br is what non-metal. Br is what non-metal. It is what? It is a liquid at room temperature only. So the two metals, one is the metal and one is the non-metal. One is what here? Mercury and bromine are said to be what? Liquid metals and what liquid non-metals only. What are they asking here? They asking atomic numbers of this atomic numbers of which one atomic numbers of these elements only. So generally bromine you can see, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine only. Fluorine 9 we have, this is what 17 and 18 how much here? 35 only. So 35 is the atomic number of which one bromine only. What about this mercury? Okay, what is the mercury here? Copper, silver, gold is there. Before that we can say zinc is there. In that group we have what element is there means what mercury is there only. If you see the mercury atomic number we have, what is the atomic number of the mercury means we will say this is 80 only. This is comes under which group means what zinc, cadmium and mercury only. In this group we can identify the mercury. So what is the atomic number of mercury? 80. And what is the atomic number of bromine? 35 only. So what is your answer? Your answer is what? 4 only, that is 80 and what 35 only. See question number 4 we have the places that were left by empty Mendeleev for few of the elements only. Okay, in the Mendeleev periodic table, Mendeleev leaves some gaps in the periodic table. He left some gaps in the periodic table. Those what are calling? Those generally calling as what missing elements only. These missing elements you are calling as what Ika elements only. What elements Ika elements only. So what the elements they discovered here Ika elements only. You will see here what we can have aluminum and one more what here silicon is there. Silicon is germanium and aluminum is what gallium only. They given here this is Ika aluminum. This is what Ika silicon only. So what are the elements they discovered gallium and what germanium only. So what your answer you can take gallium and what germanium. So we will take option 2 only. Now come to question number 5 we have the group in which all the elements do not have same number of electrons in their valence shell only. Okay, the group in which all the elements do not have same number of electrons in the valence shell only. The first option is given what the first option is given, that is 0 group is given only. So generally 0 group means what we are calling we are calling as a noble gases only. What are the noble gases are there here? Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon only. So these elements configuration you generally will write here NH2 and what NP6 only, but this configuration is what EnH2 only. Okay, this configuration is helium configuration NS2, but the remaining elements having what? NS2 NP6 configuration. So what are the question asking? The group in which all the elements do not have same number of electrons. Here 2 electrons are there, here how many electrons are there? 8 electrons are there. So what is your answer, ma? Your answer is what? 0 group only. Your answer is what, ma? 0 group only. Why not second? Second group, what you can say, what is the general electronic configuration of the second group elements, ma? Second group electronic configuration generally what? NS2. What are the elements are there here? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and what? Radium only. So this is 2s2, this is 3s2, 4s2, 5s2, 6s2, and what? 7s2 is there. So this is common, but which is not having same number of electrons means what you can take, ma? 0 group is the answer for this question number 5 we have only. Now let us see question number 6 we have. Okay, see the question number 6, ma? The element which exhibit both vertical columns and horizontal similarities only. Horizontal what, ma? Similarities only. So vertical columns means what we are calling, ma? Vertical columns here calling as the periods only. Vertical columns here calling as a groups only. Horizontal rows we are calling as periods only. So what they are asking here, they exhibit same similarities only. The first one is given what, ma? Inert gases only. The first one is given inert gas, and the second one is given representative elements. And the next one, third one, we have transition elements. And the fourth one, we have rare earth metals only. Rare earth metals. So inert gases means what? These are we are calling as a 0 group elements only. Already I told you what are the inert gas we have. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. They are calling as what, ma? Inert gases only. So what the question here? There is a similarity. There is no similarity in the both periods and what, ma? Groups only, because some changes are there only. Changes in the atomic size or changes in the ionization energy or change in the electronegativity only. Come to the representative. What are the representative elements, ma? S and P block elements. S and P block elements except noble gases. Except noble gases are called as what, ma? Representative elements only. So representative elements may be change in what? Atomic size change is there, and ionization energy change is there, and electronegativity also change is there. Come to this transition elements only. So generally transition elements means what you are calling, ma? They comes under D block elements only. They comes under what, ma? D block elements only. So generally the properties of the D block elements is similar in both periods and what, ma? Groups only, because there is a what here entering of the d orbital, we can say the poor shielding and screening effect, nuclear charge, all this effect tells about what here? Transition elements. Some of the similarities is there with the properties only. We will take here, transition series is there. Okay, 3D transition series, 4D transition series, 5D transition series. We'll take scandium to what, ma? Zinc only, yttrium to cadmium, lanthanum to mercury. All these comes under what? Transition series elements only. They having both similarities in the what? The similarities are same in both groups and what, ma? Periods only. So what is your answer, ma? Transition elements is the answer for this question only. Now come to the question number 7. We have the element which is in which element the shielding effect is not possible only. Shielding effect is not possible. Shielding effect is not possible only. The elements are given. First one we have hydrogen, second one we have beryllium, third one we have boron, and fourth one we have nitrogen only. If we take hydrogen, what we will get? 1s1, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium. This is 1s2 and what? 2s2, and beryllium. After what, boron only 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Here come to 1s2, 2s2, and what? 2p3 only. Shielding effect means what, ma? Inner electrons are there. Inner electrons will create a repulsion from the outer electrons only. But come to the hydrogen, I have only 1s shell is there. So here there is no the inner electrons are there. Inner electrons are not there means there is no shielding effect only. So what is your answer, ma? Hydrogen. But come to this beryllium, what will happen here? This is the 1s only. This is the 2s we have. This is 1s. This is what, ma? 2s. Two s electrons are there, one s electrons are there, then what happened? Here some repulsions are created. Like this boron and like this what? Nitrogen only. So which one not having any electrons means hydrogen only, because of the configuration is what? 1s 1 only. So what is your answer, ma? Hydrogen is the answer for this question only. The number of question 8 only. The number of element which should be theoretically present in 8th period of the modern long form of the periodic table only. 8th period of the modern long form of the periodic table only. But you can see, up to 7 periods only. 8th period is not there. Suppose if the 8th period is there, generally what orbitals are there? Up to this 7s orbitals, 7th period only. What are the orbitals we know? If we take the 7th period orbitals, maybe we have s orbital is there, p orbital is there, d orbital is there, and f orbital is there. Okay, so if the 8th period is there, generally we will get here s, p, d, f and c. One more orbital is also will be present only. Those are what here? S orbital, p orbital, d orbital, f orbital and what? Z orbitals only. So we will write all this orbital configuration only. So generally what to suppose you are taking 8th period, I will write here. Okay, what I am writing generally? I am writing what? Ns only. Okay, so generally this is n minus 1 only. This is n minus 1. This is what you will get. This is n minus 2. This is what you will get? N minus 3 only. So I will write here n minus 3z, and one more I will write n minus 2f, and one more I will write what? N minus 1d, and we will get what? Np only. Clear? Ns, n minus 3g, n minus 2f, n minus 1d, np only. So what are the n value here? The n value is equal to what? 8 only. If n is equal to 8, how can you write? Can I write here 8s? Yes. 8 minus 3, how much? 5. I will get 5z. And here 8 minus 2, what you will get? 6f only. Here 8 minus 1, what I will get? 7d only. Then what I will get here? 8p only. What will get? 8p only. Now all these s orbital is there, g orbital is there, f orbital is there, d orbital is there, f orbital. So s orbital accounted how many electrons? 2 electrons only. Or you can take 2 elements here. If the if g orbital is there, generally you will get means here how much? 10 electrons only. So f orbital generally, okay, f orbital generally how many electrons are there? We have f orbital generally what here? 14 only. Sorry, this g is not 10 only. So f orbital generally we have what? 14 here. Electrons are there. D orbital means 10 only. P orbital means what? 6 only. So g orbital means here generally we have 9 is there. This is 9 into 2 how much? 18 only. 18 only. Just you can add all this. 2 plus 18 plus 14 plus 10 plus 6 only. This is 16, this is 30, 30 plus here 20, how much? 50 is there. How many elements are there in this 8th period means how much? There are, okay, there are how many elements are there? There are 50 elements can be present in this 8th period only. Clear? So this is regarding about, generally we did not discuss up to G only, but G is also present. So generally G orbital how many? G orbital generally how much I told? 9 only. So 9 into 2 we are getting here 18 only. So this is regarding about we have question number 8 only. So 50 related which answer? 50 means we will take option 3 only. Now come to question number 9 we have. What is question number 9 we have? Which of the following set of elements obeys Newland octave rule only? Newland octave rule. Newland octave rule only. So what is Newland octave rule? If the elements are arranged in increasing order of the atomic weights, the every first elements having similar properties with the 8th element only. This is called as what? Newland concept of octaves only. Okay, every first element have similar properties. With the 8th element only. So if you take the elements here, lithium is there, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. You will see numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, and calcium all. So if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, lithium and sodium, what first and eighth element, they having similar properties, like beryllium and magnesium having similar properties, like boron and aluminum having similar properties, carbon and silicon having what similar properties, like nitrogen, phosphorus, oxygen, fluorine, and fluorine and what chlorine only. You see the first option what is given, sodium, potassium, rubidium. Sodium is there, potassium is not there, rubidium is not there. So this is valid up to how many elements? This is valid up to calcium. After calcium it is not valid only. So first option is wrong. Come to the next option, fluorine, chlorine, bromine. Fluorine, chlorine is given, okay, but bromine also given, it is not applicable only. Come to the third option we have. What is the third option? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium. Beryllium is there na? Yes. Magnesium is there na? Yes. Calcium is there or not? Yes. So what is the answer? Your answer is beryllium, magnesium, and what calcium only. What is the option you will take? You will take the third option only. Come to the next, we have question number 10. It is a direct question only. In the modified Mendeleev periodic table, modified Mendeleev periodic table, the total number of groups are only. So what are the options are given? They given first option is 8. Second option is what? Second option is they given how much? 9, and third option is given how much? 18. Fourth option is given what? Here 12 only. So generally Mendeleev periodic table contains what? There are 9 groups only, 0 to 8. If you count the numbers you will get 9 groups only. So what is your answer? Your answer is what? Option 2 only. So there are how many groups are there? 9 only. Those are from what? 0 to 8 only. 0 to 8 only. So this is question number 10 we have. So the next question we have question number 11 only. Which of the following is known as a bridge element of the second group in the Mendeleev periodic table only? Bridge in the second group of the Mendeleev periodic table only. So what is the bridge element means here? The properties are between two subgroups only. So here you will write bridge element means what? Properties are between two subgroups only. If we take this in second group only, so we have two subgroups are there. Those are what? Second A and what? Second B only. If the properties are between what? Two subgroups of the group only. Two subgroups of the group. This is second group only. They have second A and second B is there. So what they asking here? What are the elements of this? Which of the following is known as a bridge element of the Mendeleev periodic table only? They given here zinc only. Zinc, you can say generally zinc belongs to what? Zinc belongs to what here? We will say third period only. It is not right only. So strontium you can say. What are the strontium is what? Beryllium. Generally magnesium, calcium, strontium. This is second, third, okay, fourth, and it comes under what? Fifth period only. So this is also wrong only. Come to the magnesium we have. Okay na? So magnesium we will see here. Magnesium belongs to what? Second group of the element only. So magnesium properties can be between what? Second A and what? Second B only. So what is your answer? Your answer is what? Magnesium only. Why? Magnesium means it belongs to what? Second group of the element only. See the next question we have. Find the odd electron element from the electronic configuration. They are asking what? Odd element of the electronic configuration. You see the first configuration, what is given here? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. You see the valence electron configuration, what is there? ns1 only. I will say ns1. ns1 means what? This is alkali metal we have. And the second option you will say 1s2, 2s1. So this is also maybe say alkali metal. And third one you can say 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. What are the shell is there we have? The shell, outer shell configuration is there. What you can say? This is NH2 and what ma? NP1 only. So this is not comes under alkali metals. So generally what are the general electronic configuration of alkali metals ma? NS1 only. Here what is given? NH2 NP1. So it is not belongs to the same group only. You'll see the next option also. What are the next option ma? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. So it is also belongs to what? Alkali metal, which is odd one among those. So this is alkali metal, this is alkali metal, this is alkali metal. It is element belongs to what? Boron family only. So this is the odd one among those elements only. So what your answer will take? Your answer is what? Option 3 for question number 12 we have one. See the next one we have question number 13 we have maximum value of n plus L plus m for the last unpaired electron of an element of the 17th group and the 4th period of the periodic table only. So generally 17th group. So 17th group elements what we have ma? We have halogens only. What we have ma? Halogens only. What are the halogens are there? Generally we have fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. So these are the elements only. So the 17th group they ask me. And one more they are telling what period ma? The period is what here? 4th period element only. What are the group is required ma here? The 4th period element means n value what ma here? 4 only. So you will see generally if you write the element like this fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine only. Fluorine generally what ma? Fluorine we have 2s2. Okay, NH2 NP5 only, you will write 2s2 2p5. This is what? 3s2 3p5 only. Here we have what? 4s2 4p5 only. So 4th period means the element may be what ma? We will say the bromine only. So they are asking what value here? They are asking, suppose you are taking bromine, what the configuration general I am writing here? 4s2 4p5 only. So this is a p orbital is there. Okay, p orbital how many electrons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the last electron we have. So this is a, if you want to write n value and L value and m value, suppose asking. What is the n value ma? N value generally belongs to what here period only, that is n value 4. L value is what? You know L 0, 1, 2, 3, you will get S, P, D, F only. So for P orbital L value how much here? 1 only. You will get here what ma? 1 only. And one more what they ask ma? So maximum n plus L plus m value for the last unpaired electron in 7th period of 17th group and what ma? 4th period of the periodic table only. So here n value 4, L value 1. Generally what are the m values possible ma? M is equal to 2L plus 1 only. This is 2 into plus 1. What you will get ma? 3 values only. What are those 3 values ma? You will write -1, 0 and plus 1 only. This is -1, this is 0 and this is what ma? Plus 1 only. Now I will write n plus L plus m. What is the n value? 4. And what is the L value? 1. For this electron what is the L value? 1 only. So total how much you will get? 6 only. They ask me last electron. What is the last electron? This is the last electron. The last electron having m value how much? Plus 1 only. So altogether how much you will got? You will got plus 6 only. So what the option for this question means? You will take option 3 only. Okay. Now we'll see question number 14 we have. 14 we can see which of the list gives non-metals that are found in the elemental form of the nature only. Okay, they ask here neon, no, phosphorus, fluorine is there. You will say phosphorus and fluorine are the non-metals, but neon is not a non-metal only. Neon is what? Noble gas only. Come to the next option, we have helium given, hydrogen given and iodine is given. Helium is a noble gas only. So you will leave the second option also. Come to the third option we have. What is the third option ma? Nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur is there. You will say what here? Nitrogen is there, oxygen is there, what ma? Nitrogen, oxygen, what ma? Sulfur. These two are said to be what? These two are what ma? Non-metals only. So they are found in what? Elemental nature. What is your answer ma? Nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur only. Now come to we have question number 15 only. All the following species that complete D shell except complete D shell what ma? Except only the first one is given what ma? Az plus only. So generally silver configuration, suppose you will write What is the silver configuration? Just I am writing outermost electronic configuration only. I will write here 5s1 3d10, suppose I am writing only. Okay, 5s1, or you can say this is some d10 is there. So here suppose you will see this one removal of this 5s, then what you will get? Ag plus 1. How many electrons are there? We have 10 electrons are there. So in this case this is said to be what, ma'am? What you will say? In this case this is said to be not said to be what, complete subshell is there, complete is there, complete D10 is there. Come to the copper, we have copper. What we have? Copper we have Cu plus 2 given. What is the copper configuration, you will get 4s1 and what? 3d10 only. If we write Cu plus 2, what you will get, you will get 4s0 3d9 only. 3d9 means it is what? Incomplete only. So what is our answer, your answer is what? Copper only. So we will write generally here 5s1, you will get here 4d10 only, 4d10 only, not 3d10, 4d10. What is your answer, 3d9 only. So what is your answer will take? Okay, what is your answer, your answer is what? Copper plus 2 only. See the next question, 16. The maximum number of quantum numbers which can be equal for the last electron of the two elements of the same group in the periodic table. Group does not contain any element having exceptional electronic configuration. Maximum number of quantum numbers which can be equal. If you write the maximum quantum number for the two elements, for the last electron of the two elements of the same group only, the elements can be present in same group only. So how many quantum numbers are equal, they asking only. How many quantum numbers are what, equal only. Suppose I am taking here any one group, I am taking here, suppose I am writing here 4s1 and 4s2 I am taking only. Okay, last two electrons of the same group only. So 4s1, 4s2 I am taking here. So I will take here n value, m value, n and m, l, n, m and s1 I am writing. What is n value, n value is 4. You know L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, S, P, D, F. Okay, for S orbital, what is the L value? 0. Okay, S value 0, what is M value? M is equal to what you will get, 2L plus 1. This is 2 into 0 plus 1. What here? 1 means how much? 0 only. This is the 0 possibility is there. There is no quantum magnetic quantum number, that becomes 0. S is equal to, maybe you will write here plus of 1. Spin quantum number you will write. Now for this second electron I am writing. This is the second electron only. The electron can be like this. In this case 4 electron, this is in a clockwise direction only. N value 4, L value 0, M value 0, but S is equal what, minus of only. How many quantum numbers are equal? N is equal, L is equal, M is equal. So how many quantum numbers are equal, 3 quantum numbers are equal. 3 quantum numbers are equal. So what is your answer, Your answer is what? Option. Okay, 3 means what? We have option 2. Now we'll see question number 17 we have. The electronic configuration given here. What is the configuration here? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p6. We have 3d10, 4s2, 4p6 and what we have? 4d10 and we have 5s2 only. So they asking here what okay, this is for which block element only. What orbital is there finally? D orbital is there. It belongs to what, This belongs to what? D block elements only. F is there, you will write F block. Okay, which P is there, you will write what, P block only. So D block element is the right answer only. So what is your answer, Your option is 2 for this question only. Now let us see the next question we have. What is the correct order of the radii is correct for this compound only. Radii is asking only. So what the first option is given, this question number 18 we have lithium is given. So lithium, beryllium and magnesium is given only. Lithium, beryllium, magnesium is there. They asking correct radii for this element they asking. So generally you say generally lithium is there, here beryllium and magnesium belongs to the same group only. If you compare these two sizes, which one is having more size, lithium and beryllium, which one having more size? Generally these are from left to right. What happened? Atomic radius is what? Atomic radius is what? Increases. Group top to bottom, atomic radius is what? Decreases only. From this I will write lithium greater than beryllium only. But you can compare this beryllium and magnesium. Which one having highest in size, ma? Which one having highest in size? Beryllium is there, magnesium is there. From these two, what you will write? Beryllium is greater than what, ma? Magnesium only. Or you will say in the brackets, you will write magnesium is greater than beryllium, or you can say beryllium less than what, ma? Magnesium only. So what are the order is given, ma? The order is given here: lithium less than, beryllium less than, magnesium is given. But generally what is the order? Lithium is greater than beryllium. Lithium is what, ma? Greater than beryllium, but beryllium less than what? Magnesium only. Lithium greater than beryllium, beryllium less than magnesium. But what is given? Lithium less than, beryllium less than what, ma? Magnesium only. So this is a wrong one only. Come to the second one we have. What is the second one, ma? They given here H plus and Li plus and H minus is given only. Clear, ma? So this is given like this only: H plus Li plus H minus only. So generally, you know, generally the size of cation, generally if you take the neutral atom or positive ion or cation, generally what is the size, ma? Generally anion having largest size than the cation, cation having largest size than what, ma? Neutral atom. Okay, anion is greater than the first neutral atom. Neutral atom greater than what, ma? Cation only. Come to this one, H minus is there, Li plus is there, and H plus is there. So generally if you see the order, generally what, ma? Anion is more than the cation only. Suppose I am taking here anion only, H minus I am writing. Now here when compared to H plus in generally, H plus is there, Li plus is there. So generally hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium, these are the group elements only. But in group top to bottom, what happened, ma? Size increase or not? So generally what here? Lithium is greater than what? H plus only, because of the 2s orbital is there in the lithium, 2s1, but only 1s1 is there in what? H plus only. Then what you will write here? So lithium plus is greater than what, ma? H plus. From this what you will write, ma? H plus less than, Li plus less than what, ma? H minus 1. So this is the answer only. So what option you will take, ma? You will take option 2 for this question only. So the next one we have question number 19. The species of argon K plus Ca plus 2 contains same number of electrons. In which order the radius is what, ma? Increases only. They will give an argon and potassium and what, ma? Calcium only. So argon means how many electrons, ma? We have 18 electrons. Potassium 18 electrons. Calcium 18 electrons. How it is 18 electrons, ma? This is 19 minus 1. Positive charge is there. Here this is 20 minus 2. What here? 18 only. So electrons are same. Those are said to be what, ma? Those we can call as isoelectronic species only. Isoelectronic species only. So they asking here isoelectronic species order they asking only. So generally isoelectronic species, size of isoelectronic species increases with decreasing in what, ma? Atomic number only. General write one point here. Size of isoelectronic species. Size of isoelectronic species increases with decreasing decrease in what, ma? Atomic number only. Decrease in what, ma? Atomic number only. So if the size is what? Increases with what, ma? Decrease in what? Atomic number only. You will see the first option is given generally what given, ma? Ca plus 2 less than K plus less than what, ma? Argon only. Can I write like this? Argon greater than, K plus greater than what, ma? Ca plus 2. What is the statement I wrote? Size of isoelectronic species decreases with increasing what, ma? Atomic number. So this is 18 atomic number, this is 19 atomic number, this is what? 20 atomic number. So can I write from this like this? This is decreasing order, this is what? Increasing order only. Ca plus 2 less than, K plus less than what, ma? Argon only. So what is your answer, ma? Your answer is what? Option 1 for this question only. Come to the question number 20. We have in which of the following options of the arrangement does not agree with the variation of the property indicated only. So generally they given here I less than, Br less than, what they given, ma? Ca less than F only. They are telling what here? Increasing electron gain enthalpy they are giving. Increasing electron gain enthalpy one. This is the order is given. We have to identify whether the order is right or wrong only. So generally if you take this one, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine only. These are the elements only. Electron affinity is maximum for the second element than the first element in the same group only. You will see here generally what the order you will get: chlorine greater than fluorine, fluorine greater than bromine, bromine greater than what ma? Iodine only. Already we discussed one of the exceptional case only. So each second element having highest electron affinity than the first element only due to what ma? Smaller in size and what? Inter-electronic repulsions only. That is already discussed in electron affinity. So from this what order will write? This is decreasing order. Increasing order will write iodine less than, bromine less than, fluorine less than what ma? Chlorine. This is the correct order. But what is the order is given? Iodine less than, bromine less than, chlorine is given. So this is not a correct order only. So what is your answer ma? Your answer is what? Option 1 only. So you will take the option 1 for this right answer for this question number 20 we have all. Now we'll see question number 21 we have the element Z is equal to 114 has been discovered recently. It belongs to the which following family of the group and the electronic configuration. They given Z is equal to 114 only. So generally if you want to solve this type of question, you know what you can write the first, what is the element you can say, noble gas you can write on. So generally noble gas are end with what? 118 atomic number only. I will write a 118, 117, 116, 115, 114 only. So this is a noble gas, we will say this is 8th group only. So 8th means this is you can say 7th group only. This you will say 6th only. This you will say, okay. This is say this is 5 only. This is what ma? 4th group only. 114 belongs to what ma? 4th group or will say 4th or 14th group only. 4th or what ma? 14th group. Generally what are the 4th group elements we have? Generally we have carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead only. So generally these elements are there in the carbon family we have. So generally carbon means how much here? This is 6. This is how much here? Silicon 14 only na? So 14 plus 18, what you will get here? 32, 32 plus this is 18, what you will get? This is 50, 50 plus 32 we have 82 and 82 plus 32 we have 114 only. So the next element is there with what? 114 only. So the element belongs to which group ma? Element belongs to what? 114 group only. So 114 number only, that belongs to what? 4th group or you can say 14th group only. What is the general configuration of this 14th group? You will say ma, you will write what here? NS2 carbon only na? You will write here what? NS2 this is 6, this is 5, this is 4, this is 3, you will write NS2 NP2 only. You see the first configuration, what is given ma? You see the first configuration is given radon 5F14. They given radon 5F14, they given 6D10 and 7S2 and the 7P2 is given only. But you will see in the third one also given 7S2, 7B2, but that is comes under what? Nitrogen family. This family belongs to what? This is what ma? Carbon family one. So your answer is what? The element belongs to what ma? Carbon family with the configuration radon 5F14, 6D10, 7S2 and what? 7P2 only. So what are your answer ma? Your answer is what? Option 1 for this question only. So the next question we have question number 22. Lithium resembles magnesium due to diagonal relationship which is attributed to which one only. So generally lithium diagonal related with what ma? Magnesium only. So what is the reason they asking means they having what ma? Similar in size only, same atomic radius and same ionic charge only, same atomic radius and same ionic size only. Already discussed in the diagonal relationship concept only. The diagonal relationship mainly due to similar size, similar electronegativity, charge by ionic radius ratio, and these are the main regions only. So what are the two regions ma? Same atomic radius and what? Same ionic size only, or you can say similar size and similar ionic size only. So what is your answer ma? You will take option 1 for this question only. Now we'll see question number 23 we have. Question number 23, X, Y, Z have the atomic numbers 9, 10, 37 and 55 respectively. The following statements are true. X is given how much ma? x is equal to they given 19, y they given what ma here 37, and z they given what ma 55 only. You see 19, generally 19 means, can you say potassium? 19 means atomic number potassium only. So 19 plus 18 you can add, how much you will get ma 37 only. So the next element in this group differ by 18, okay, number only. Sodium is there, potassium, okay, potassium after what ma rubidium only. So we will say this is 37 plus 18, suppose you will get how much ma 55 over rubidium what here, okay, rubidium after what cesium only. What are the elements are there means you will say, okay, the elements you can say lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and what ma cesium only. So what is the difference here? The difference is what here 18 only, and here also difference how much we have 18 is there. Okay, now here they are asking what the options you can see. X, the ionization potential would increase with increasing in the atomic number only. So these are the group elements only. So this potassium, rubidium, cesium belongs to the same group only. So generally group top to bottom what happen ma? Ionization energy is what ma? Decreases only. So which one having highest ionization energy? Potassium. Potassium is greater than, rubidium is greater than what ma? Cesium only. Generally what are the option is given? First one, ionization potential would increase with increase the atomic number only. It is what? It decreases only. That is the right, not a right answer. Next, y would have, okay, ionization potential between those of x and z. Y is there. Y is what my here, suppose I am writing x is greater than y greater than z only. Y in between what ma? X and what? Z only. So the ionization potential of y is in between what? X and what ma? Z only. Okay, that we will take. And so the third option, Z would have highest ionization potential. Z is the least ionization potential only. Y we have highest ionization potential. Y is less when compared to what ma? X only. So what is your answer ma? Y would have ionization potential in between X and what ma? Z only. So you will take option 2 for this question only. Now we'll see question number 24. We have the element which one have the largest atomic radius only. They are asking what ma? Largest atomic radius only. What are the options are given here? Sulfur, chlorine, and one more we have selenium and bromine is given. Bromine is given. They are asking highest size of the element only. You see here sulfur and chlorine belongs to the same period only. Same period or not? We'll say what here? We'll say aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon and potassium only. So generally if you compare the sulfur and chlorine, sulfur size is greater than chlorine only. Sulfur size is what ma? Greater than chlorine only. So generally see the elements here: oxygen, sulfur, selenium, okay, tellurium and polonium only. Come to this one: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and acetylene is there. If you compare this size, what is the size ma? Sulfur is greater than chlorine in this case. Come to selenium and bromine, which one having largest size ma? Selenium having largest size. So come to here, sulfur, selenium is there and chlorine is, bromine is there. So among those chlorine and bromine, selenium having what? Largest size only. Among sulfur and selenium, which one having largest size ma? You know, group top to bottom general what happened here? Atomic size is what here? Decreases only. So sulfur less than I am writing what? Selenium. So here sulfur is greater than what? Beryllium only. So what is your answer ma? Selenium is the right answer for this question only. Clear? So we are comparing these two elements in a group. This is the largest size. These compared element, bromine is the largest size. But compared to selenium and bromine, selenium is the largest size. But compared to sulfur and chlorine, sulfur is the largest. Among four, which one is the largest size? That we have selenium only. That is the answer only. Now come to we have question number 25. We have the property of an element decreases from left to right across the periodic table and increases from the top to bottom only. Okay. So when given, suppose atomic radius is given the first option. Atomic radius only. Atomic radius period, suppose you are taking. Period is how we are moving ma? We are moving from what? Left to right. Left to right atomic size is what? Decreases only. Atomic size is what ma? Decreases only. Come to the group we have. Generally group we are moving from what ma? Top to bottom only. Top to bottom. So generally what happened ma? size is what? Increases only. You see the first question they asking, which property decreases from left to right? Decreases from left to right at atomic radius and increases from the top to bottom. That is what? Atomic radius only. We will take option 1 for this question only. Why not option 2? You can go for option 2, that is given electronegativity only. Just we'll check the option 1 option. Electronegativity only. Electronegativity I will write here period. Electronegativity. Okay, and we will say here group also you can see. So what they asking, electronegativity only. So electronegativity generally period left to right is what? Increases, group is what? Decreases only. They asking first what? They asking first decreases, then what? Increases only. So we cannot take option 2. So what is the right answer? Option 1 is the right answer for this question only. Now we'll see question number, we have 27 only. Which of the following atoms having nearly same atomic radius only? At same atomic radius, you see the first option given, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. So generally group top to bottom is what? Atomic size is what? Increases. From this you will write what? Generally sodium is less than, potassium less than, rubidium less than what? Cesium. So this is not an answer for that question only. Come to the second one, what we have? Second one is there, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon. So lithium greater than beryllium, beryllium greater than boron, boron carbon greater than is what? Boron greater than is what? Carbon only. So come to the next option. This is also not correct only because it is maybe increasing, okay, decreasing order is there. You can come to the next one. We have iron, cobalt, nickel. Iron, cobalt, nickel only. So this is what? These are the transition series or transition elements only. Okay, in this transition element generally these are comes on the 3D transition series only. So in this 3D transition element generally initially size, initially what? Size is what? Decreases, then become what? Constant, and then become what? Increases only. If we take this one, scandium to manganese. Scandium to manganese size decreases only. Constant for which one? Iron, cobalt and what? Nickel only. Here increase from what? Copper to what? Zinc only. So which one is constant? Atomic radius is constant for which elements? Iron, cobalt, nickel. We already discussed this question in the atomic radius of the 3D transition series only. So which one is constant? Iron, cobalt, nickel is constant. So what is your answer? Your option is what? 3 only. See the next question 27. The size of electronic species of F minus, Ne and Na plus is affected by what member they are asking. F minus is given. F minus is there and one more neon is there and one more we have Na plus is there. What they are asking here? What is the effect? This is option. The effect mainly what? This is mainly because of which one? Nuclear charge only. Nuclear charge only. So anions are having what? More nuclear charge because of which one here? Because that size will be what here? Increases only. We will see this one mainly effect means what you will take? Nuclear charge only. What is the answer? Option 1 is the right answer for this question only. Question number 28 you can see. The first ionization enthalpy potential of aluminum is smaller than the magnesium because of which one only. You will take the ionization potential generally. Ionization potential of magnesium generally greater than aluminum only. If you see the magnesium, what are the configuration we have? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s2 only. And aluminum you can say this is 12 atomic number, this is the 13 atomic number, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p1 only. So generally we will say here completely fill electronic configuration for the magnesium having highest ionization energy than the aluminum only, but aluminum is less than. Why means here this p electron is there, this p electron is we can easily remove the electron because it is having what? Only single electron is there, it is not half filled, it is not a completely filled only. You see the first option here, the atomic size of aluminum is greater than magnesium. But atomic size of generally if you move from what left to right in a period, atomic size what? Decreases. Sodium greater than magnesium, magnesium greater than what? Aluminum only. But they given what? Aluminum greater than magnesium is given. Aluminum greater than magnesium is wrong only. Generally what? Magnesium greater than aluminum only. This is the first option. See the second option. What the second option is given? The atomic size of Aluminum less than magnesium. So we may be compare here. We will say here aluminum size is less than magnesium, but is not a correct reason for the atomic radius only. And one more you can see aluminum having one unpaired electrons in what ma 3 orbital only. See how many unpaired electrons are there? One unpaired electron is there, so we can easily remove the electron from that 3p orbital only. So what answer will take for this question means we will take aluminum having what ma one unpaired electrons in its valence shell only. This is question number 28 we have. Now we'll see question number 29 only. A large difference between the third and fourth ionization energies indicate the presence of how many electrons in the valence shell only. So you will say here IE1 and this is IE2 and this is IE3 and this is IE4 only. We will take the difference here. If you see this is the difference, how much here? This is the difference 1 only. From IE2 to IE3, what are the difference is there? 3 only. So here how many 2 is difference is there? Here IE3 to IE4, how many difference is there? 3 electron jump is there. So if the first ionization potential IE2 is more for which one? Alkali metal only. Then we can go for the IE3 and IE4 like this. The difference IE1 to IE1, the change in valence electron 1 only. IE2 to IE3, the change in valence electrons how much? 2 only. IE3 to IE4, the change in valence electrons how much? 3 only. So what is your answer? Your answer is what? 3 all valence electrons only. You will take option 3 for this question only. Come to the next question number 30. We have the ionization values of the elements plotted against the atomic numbers. Then the peaks are occupied by ionization values versus what? Atomic number only. So this is the ionization energy and versus what? Atomic number only. So generally if you draw the graph like this only, if you take here, suppose I am writing here hydrogen, this is hydrogen, helium is there, helium after I will get here, and one more noble gas helium, beryllium, boron, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Then what you will get? You will get what? Neon only. Neon after what you will get? Argon. Argon after what? Helium is there, helium, here neon, argon, then I will get what here? Krypton, then what here? Xenon, then what here? Radon, like this one. So you see the peaks, these are generally, these are the peaks only. These noble gas having highest ionization energy values, because of which one? Stable electronic configuration, they does not lose electrons only. But which one having highest peak here? Helium only, because it is having what? It is the first noble gas only. It is having highest electron, highest ionization energy because of the starting element on. You see here helium, okay, helium is there, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon only. So these are the peaks can be like this present here. Helium is greater than neon, neon greater than is argon, like this is there, because the ionization energy value generally what? Decreases only. So generally maximum peaks means what are there? The maximum peaks we have what? Noble gases only. So what answer we will take? We will take noble gas only. This is question number 30 we have.